Okay, so it's almost 8 o'clock on Sunday morning, February 10th. We are just about 24 hours from the end of Winter Storm Nemo, otherwise known as Blizzard 2013. And if you watched my video and my pictures from yesterday, you'll know that this parking lot looks exactly the same as it did when the storm was over. We're just basically stranded out here, and the best advice we were given is that they hope that we don't have any emergencies back here, which is extremely comforting. As you can see, we've done our own steps for some access, but other than that, we really cannot get too much farther out. And anyway, honestly, it's not my job because I pay $300 a month for this place to clear snow, and they decided they were going to hire a pool cleaner with a plow, and I knew that that was going to go over like a fart in church. So here we are. This is still Jose's car, my neighbor's cars. Some neighbors deciding it's not even worth it to do that much. I don't really blame them. So this is where we're at. We're supposed to get some ice and a lot of rain tomorrow. So if this isn't cleared today, it's pretty much not going to get cleared. That's my feeling. So maybe we really will see you in April.